We got like stuff out here. It's like.
Huh?
No, I'm just making a video.
Oh, okay.
Something like trees are like falling, like limbs of trees are like falling. So we're out here taking a video. I know you can't really see it, which really sucks. It's just that my camera's all like screwed up, I guess. But I guess so. Yeah, we got like 5 feet of snow, so or not like 5 feet. We got like holy crap! Oh my god! Holy crap!
Come on.
We're going home.
Back to the house, out from underneath the electric line.
You take it.
We lost all our power.
Fuck.
You what?
Yeah.
Yeah, the entire half of the tree fell over him over by Craig. Across Leonard Street.
Oh shit, man.
Alright, so go ahead and go back inside.
Everyone alright?
Yes, in here.